I got stickers today. I have one Make with Dad. I have one from Wacky Woodworks. I have one from So Co Mo Woodworks. Hey Opa, I got your new one. And I got one from Andreas over in Germany. Well, there they are. One of my next projects that I'm going to be getting into is I've got to make some new legs for my outfeed table / router extension. I'm going to make up some legs for my router table, and I'm going to show you how I did that. I'm going to use 2 pieces of PVC pipe, 1¼ inch. I am going to insert wood in each end, and I'm also going to fix some adjustable ends inside. And I'm going to use 5-minute epoxy to insert the nuts, and then I'm going to put some screws around the outsides of these. Okay, my idea for these pipes is to insert this wooden blank with the adjusting nut in there, like that. And then I'm going to run some screws in around the outside. And then on the other end, I'm going to put in another blank. Okay, what I'm doing is I inserted the wood blanks into the end of the pipes. Yeah, I've got to insert the other one right there. That's going to be a lot better. This was what I had under there before. It's about as crooked as a dog's hind leg. So that's why I wanted to change. Right now I want to be able to maintain a tabletop that is level across here. So when I run my fence across with the table saw, I'm not going to have a problem. Well, that's what it looks like put together. Now those are just going to be a temporary permanent situation for now. Allow me to adjust this table if I have to, if I move it again, because I can just pop out a couple of screws on top there and everything will be, I can move it then. Okay, that's my project for today. Thanks for watching. I want to thank my subscribers. And if you're new, please subscribe, like, and share. Have a great day.